This plant is actually looking for three things in order for them to survive. The first one is oxygen.
Fantastic, I love it, and it's wonderful to be able to bring my son so he can learn about the environment. It's incredibly important.
I believe that it is each and everyone's individual's responsibility to support for building a sustainable future.
Being a company that is present in the UAE for the last 35 years, we feel it's our duty to look after the land, and it's an honor for us to be in this experience. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.